All right, so let's break down gold for this week. So you can see we have been in somewhat of a downtrend for the last couple of weeks, months, and it's coming into a Fibonacci level. I've taken it from this swing to this swing low, and the price is approaching the 78.6 Fibonacci. Now, usually I would take the fib for more or less of a swing like this, but since the market has started to break these structures, I'm moving this fib up. It's looking like a somewhat of a harmonic. I don't really trade harmonics anymore, but we are coming into this fib level, like I said, and we do trade the 78.6 fib. Another thing I'm seeing here on gold is we are starting to get this momentum divergence where price is making higher highs and the momentum is not making higher highs. So I'm sure the RSI is, in the overbought level or starting to diverge as well. And maybe overall long term, I'm starting to see gold maybe turn around and maybe take this approach. But this area is a high probability area that price likes to turn around at least for a correction before it makes another move up. So this week, I'm looking for gold to turn around here at the 78.6 on let's see, right here at 1823. So let's go into the lower time frame and get some more confirmation, right? Because that's what I like to have. I like to have more confirmation than just a fib, right? Because the fib is nice, but really we need more than that. So I'm seeing more divergence here on the 4-hour, which is good from this swing to this swing. Price is making that higher high, but the momentum is not. So we're starting to see maybe a possibility of a channel. We could sell off right here, come back up here, and then sell off. Now, this might extend a little bit more. I could see that possibly happening too. We just might have to be a little bit more patient if that's the case. And if that is the case, if we do not come up and hit the 78.6 just yet, we might look for price to come down, tap into these fibs, and then come up, and you can see the extensions are lining up a lot better right here. So longer term, we're looking for, or I guess more this week, we're looking for gold to hit this level and start to correct down. If I go into the 1-hour time frame, I can see divergence all the way down into the 1 hour from even this swing here. So that's telling me that this momentum, even though we are breaking highs, this momentum is starting to slow down and we should start to see this move down pretty soon. So we'll be looking for setups on gold around there and maybe even around there if it pulls up a little bit higher, right?